My show speed finally beats Tower of Hell in Roblox.
Let's go. Lock in. Say everybody spam I was here.
Be slow, bro. Okay. You're gonna do these one at a time.
I got it. I got it. Don't cheat me. Don't cheat. I got it. Nobody beat it. I got it. I beat it. Did I beat it? I beat it? Did I actually beat it? Did I beat it? Ah!
Beat the level.
Let's go! Let's go! I beat Tower of Hell! After 20 fucking years, I've been playing it since I was 8 years old. I've been playing this game. And I finally beaten it. It took me 15 years. Thank you, God. Thank everybody in the chat. I have now beaten Tower of Hell! Let's go! Let's go! We did it! We did it! Yes, sir! Who is here? Who is here? And y'all know. Green